Okie dokie, in this video we're knocking out WebAssign 2.2. Number 1, the slope of the line is undefined. So, an undefined slope looks like this here. So the vertical line has an undefined slope. A horizontal line has a slope of 0, so don't get it mixed up with that one. These obviously have a positive slope and negative slope accordingly, so the answer is B. Number 2, the slope of the line is positive and its y-intercept is negative. Let's eliminate the slopes that are negative first. That's negative, and that's negative. Between these remaining two, let's look at their y-intercepts. Option B has a negative y-intercept, maybe -3 perhaps. Option D has a positive y-intercept, so, +3 perhaps. So we're looking for the positive slope, negative y-intercept, so that is option B. Number 3, determine whether the lines through the pairs of points are perpendicular. So I believe they're saying through A and B, let's find the slope between A and B, and then let's find the slope between C and D, and to see if those lines passing through each of those pairs of points are perpendicular, we need to see if their slopes are negative reciprocals of one another. For example, if the slope between A and B is 2/3, to be perpendicular, CD would have to have a slope of -3/2. So the negative flip, the negative reciprocal. So that's what we want to verify. Let's see what it looks like. So between A and B, y2 minus y1 would be -1 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, so 4 minus 5. That'd be -1 over -1, which is +1. Now, let's try C and D. We do 2 minus 3. We do -4 minus 2. And we get -1 over -6, or 1/6. So, would a line with a slope of 1/6 be perpendicular to a line with a slope of 1? And no. Neither perpendicular nor parallel. If they're parallel, they'd have the same slope. If they're perpendicular, they'd have negative reciprocal slopes. So again, negative reciprocal would be like 1/6 and -6 over 1, or just -6. So like these two slopes of two lines would be perpendicular lines, would indicate perpendicular lines. Number 4,